From young dreams to wise experiences, every woman carries her own story. On the occasion of Women's Day, we spoke to women of all ages to understand how health shapes their lives, their joy, and their everyday moments. She gives endlessly to her family, her work, and her dreams. Yet, in the quiet moments, her health is the promise she often forgets to keep to herself.
When did you realize he became a home? So I realized the day when I gave birth to my bundle of joy. That was my first child. And तभी से मेरी जो sleepless nights थी वो इतनी normal हो गई. So I had to give my time, energy, efforts, everything to my first child. And my priority list completely changed. So my struggles, my health, my career, rest of the comfort, everything just went to the bottom of the list. So, and the child is completely dependent on me. So that's when I felt that I am a woman now.
I felt like a real woman when my body started changing and I finally stopped fighting it.
When my body started changing and I finally stopped fighting it. When sleepless nights, frequently visits to washroom became part of my reality. I learned to listen to my body and with patience and not frustration.
Any struggles do you face that others don't see?
I would term it as silent struggles because those struggles which I can't share about with everyone. So I have faced challenges which I couldn't speak about with my family. Immediate a call hai, nature's call, and I have to go. So that feeling, that urge that I have to go for pee again and again, it's a struggle which I guess every mother faces. Then that frequent urgency.
When sleepless nights, frequent visits to bathroom became part of my life. I learned to listen to my body with patience, not frustration. The understanding made me feel complete.
I always deal with struggles जो कि लोगों को दिखते नहीं हैं. Most people don't realize how women of my age need to look for a washroom. My sleep get disturbed. रातों को बार-बार उठना पड़ता है, वॉशरूम जाना पड़ता है.
What challenges have you faced that made you feel stronger?
So there is one incident I would like to share. These 10 people ahead of me, and I just felt the need and that sudden urge that hit my body, and I told myself that I'll have to wait because there are people in front of me, but my body didn't listen to me. It didn't wait. There was a small leak and panic, and I couldn't say anything to people. I just abandoned my car and rushed out. But then I learned that it is treatable. So I thought it's better to speak to the doctor and see and learn more about it and just see what can be done instead of just being quiet and silent about this thing.
Morning walk every day. Recently, I realized I have to plan my bathroom schedule. With the walk, as bathroom is not available. Initially, I used to feel embarrassed about it. Then I know this is just part of aging. Just accept it. But why should I accept something that can be treated?
Recently I realized मुझे वॉशरूम शेड्यूल वॉक के अराउंड भी प्लान करना पड़ता है. Initially I used to feel embarrassed about it, and then I thought this is just part of aging. Just I have to accept it. But why should I accept something that can be treated?
Any message you want to share?
Of course, to every woman who is silently managing bladder issues, embarrassments and sleepless nights, I see you, I feel you. So seeking care and prioritizing your health should be the priority of yours. And this is what I would give the message to all the women.
To every woman going through frequent urination, sudden urgency, and sleepless nights, please know this: you are not alone, and you are not failing your body. Your experience is real. You deserve care, comfort.
To every woman going through frequent urination, sudden urgency, and sleepless nights, please know this: you are not alone, and you are not failing your body. Your experience is real. You deserve care.
This problem is known as overactive bladder, where the patient is dealing with urinary urgency, urinary leak, and urinary frequency, which can be very common in all age groups. So Sun Pharma is coming up with Speak the Leak. At Sun Pharma, we believe awareness is the first step to care. Women's Day is not about celebrating women. It's about standing with them, listening to them. For women with OAB, it's time to speak to your doctor and get the right treatment, because it's not something that you have to live with throughout your life. For others, it's time for you to listen to people around you and become voice of such people and help and motivate them to go and take consultation from the doctor.